Hi everyone, so let's unbox this Dell monitor. It comes in with all this paperwork, the display cable, three display cables, power cord, the base of the monitor. So yeah, let's unbox it. There's the stand of the monitor and the monitor itself comes in a nice such packing. So it has, let's open this. It's quite heavy. This is the monitor. This has a webcam on the top, inbuilt webcam on the top. You have to press this and a webcam pops out. And then let's to the ports available on this monitor. So from left to right, the power cable, one HDMI port, a display unit port, and two USB ports. Let's assemble the monitor. First, fix the base and the arm and turn around, and there is a screw here. Tighten the screw. In such a manner tighten it using a screwdriver. The stand is now ready. Now align this stand to the monitor and lock it, and the monitor is assembled now. As you can see, I've connected the power cord and switched on with the button with the back side. The web camera. Setting up language. As it says, no DP cable connected. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. I'll share the links below.